Let's look at the benefits of using Excel to Tally software for your business. Accurate data is critical for organizations to better understand their clients. Tally is a storehouse for all corporate transactions and consumer information. Transactions are documented for legal, marketing, and operational reasons. To maximize reach in the competitive and dynamic Indian marketplaces, most firms believe in being present on many digital channels. E-commerce, physical stores, online marketing, social media, websites, and so on are frequent channels where a developing business is exposed to its clients. Businesses use different software to record transactions at different platforms and may want to consolidate all the transactional and other data in Tally. Excel to Tally is a program that such organizations use to automatically transfer data from various applications into Excel and then quickly upload it into Tally. Human errors are unavoidable. Automation is essential in jobs that are prone to mistake. Data import is one job where the human mistake is more likely. Businesses must refrain from afford mistakes since this transactional data must be given to the government for legal purposes. And hence, automation is the key to avoiding this problem. With the Excel to Tally import tool, you can acquire error-free and correct data in Tally in only a few clicks. Manual data import is, without a question, a time-consuming task. This procedure may be accomplished automatically utilizing the Excel to Tally application with no staff intervention. This frees up the employee to perform other human-dependent duties that cannot be automated. As a result, corporate tasks are completed more swiftly and efficiently. Depending on the amount of data to be transmitted, an employee may have to spend hours manually. Also, even after hours of work, there is no guarantee that the data is mistake and duplicate free. However, with Excel to Tally software, this entire data import procedure may be finished automatically in a matter of minutes and without any errors. Manually, firms will waste hours of useful human hours on this unnecessary process that may simply be avoided. It is expensive since it may cost you productive work hours that could have been spent on another activity. With Excel to Tally software, this cost is saved. All of these issues have a single solution: automation. Excel to Tally software allows you to transfer data automatically and with minimal human intervention. Not only is it automated, but it is also speedy and efficient. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.